Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Sandy. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back to share with you guys my favorite fall liquid lipsticks and lipsticks that I like to use during the fall months. And I know that you don't have to use these lipsticks in the fall. You can use them in the summer. You can use them all year round. I just feel like it's more like, I guess, appropriate because it's like darker and like cozy, warm, like I don't know, it just brings kind of like the brownie kind of colors and just like for fall. But I just wanted to show you guys what I like, and you guys peep the makeup. Your girl feels like euphoria or something. Like I put the little jewels. These are like from Wet n Wild. I think it's like their, I don't know, it's like the Halloween fun stuff that they are selling right now. So they have like all kinds of colors like pink, clear, black. I just wanted to do this kind of, I don't know, euphoria inspired look. Let me know if you guys want to see like a tutorial on it. But I just decided to get ready and show you guys what I like. But anyways, if you guys want to see what are my favorites, then keep on watching. So I have them here in my little jar. It says Boo on it. Like, I think you can show like, there you go. Look at how holographic. Well, it says Boo, so I just feel like it's easier for me like to grab like my favorites that I like to wear, or I'm going to wear like every day. You know what I mean? So it's just all in one. But let's get to the swatching. So those are my few of my favorite fall liquid lipsticks that I've been loving. And I have a drawer full of others colors just like this. But these formulas, I feel like I like them a little bit more than the others. But let me know what kind of liquid lipsticks you guys like, what you guys like using for the fall or even summer all year. I love trying out new lipsticks. I have a whole drawer full of just lip stuff. Like if you guys want to see it, I can show you, or if you follow me on Instagram, I can show you on there too. I'm a hoarder of makeup. So but thank you guys so much for always watching and always supporting and leaving lovely comments, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.